Okay, here's a video on how to do a product that has multiple sizes or characteristics. In this case, I'm on the Earth Culture Roots site and I see man, pants, ECR, roots, leaf. So when I click on that, you can see not only does it have multiple pictures for it, but it's also got multiple sizes that have multiple prices. So this kind of is, everything all in one. So the first thing I'm going to do, remember I have the new Earth Culture Roots over here to the left opened up. I'm inside products. I've got the previous Earth Culture Roots opened up on the right, and I've got my product pulled up. I've got these shrunken down just a little bit so you can see them all in one screen. And then in the middle, I've got some sort of a folder into which I can put these pictures. So this one right here, remember I triple click on that to select all of it. You can either right click on it and choose copy, or you can also hit Control C. So Control C copies that, and then I'm going to take this over to the search bar and I'm going to hit Control V, or you can also right click and choose paste. I'm going to hit Control V. When I search products, it should come up with just that one product, and you see there's no picture here. When I click on edit, it opens it up, and I'm going to look for a few things here. There's really no description of it, so there's no description over here. Some of the things I'm looking for are the price, which is correct, and also the shipping size. So for right now, it says 0. I don't really know how much these pants weigh, so I'm just going to say maybe 1 pound. Now, in order for us to do multiple sizes, we have to change this from a simple product to a variable product. Now there's two things. There's attributes, which are things like size, color, that kind of stuff. And then there's variations, which are combinations of attributes. So all of the attributes are right here in this list that says attributes. When you click on that, you can see that I've got multiple attributes here. So patch sizes, width of something, style, astrological sign. So these are all attributes. And then when you combine these together, they become the product's variations. So in this case, I have an attribute that is size. So it's all the same type of pant, but it just has different sizes. So I have small, medium, large, extra large, extra large, 3XL, 4XL. In the attributes, I don't actually think I have something for 4XL. So I'm going to go in here to configure terms, and I'm going to add XXXX large. And then it adds that to the list. So over on here, I've changed this to variable product. If I go down to attributes, I have to set up attributes. So this drop down should have all the different attributes that I've already entered in this list right up here. So one of them is size. So I say add attribute, and now I choose the sizes that I want to include. So in my case, I'm going to select all of them. So right over here, you see how it says small, medium, large, extra large, and all that. So small, medium, large, extra large, double X, triple X, quadruple X. So I've selected all those. In case you don't want them, though, you can click on little X's here. I do need to check this little box where it says used for variations. Otherwise, it won't show up. And also visible on product page, obviously, because you want people to be able to see them on the product page. So I'm going to say save attributes. So there's no other, variations that they have over here. I'm going to go over to variations, and you could add a variation. But in this case, I just want to create variations from all attributes. So if I had different colors, different sizes, different widths, it would actually figure out combinations of all those attributes and plug them in automatically for me right away. So I'm going to say go, and it thinks about it for a second, and it's going to create like 7 attributes based on size. There you go. So there's 7 attributes based on size, and they're all listed here. Now you could Let me click on expand so you can see this. You could assign a picture to every single attribute. I actually did that when I did the bracelets that have the different astrological sign. I assigned the picture of that astrological sign to this product by clicking on this picture. In this case, they're all the same look, so I'm just going to leave that at the default. Each one of them is enabled, and the only difference in price is the extra large, or I'm sorry, the double X is $3, triple X is 5, quadruple X is 7.5. So I would go to the quadruple X. I would take this price right here, so $36.95, plus $7.50. Oh, I'm horrible at math. $36.95 plus $7.50. Isn't that horrible having to use a calculator? $44.45. So I type in here $44.45. Going down a little bit, the triple X is $5 more. So 36 plus 5 is $41.95. So $41.95. And the double XL is $3 more. So it'd be $39.95. Okay. Now normally what I would do is I would go up to the top and right up here where it says add variation, there's a variety of different things that you could do. So I can say set regular prices, and when I click on go, I'm able to set a price for all of them. Now I've actually gone through and already changed these prices. So I'm just going to add on the last few. Oh, actually here it erased the regular price. Good. So add variation. I'm going to say set regular price, which is $36.95. So I'll type in $36.95. So that sets that regular price for everything. Now remember, we went through and we said the quadruple X was adding $7.50. So that one ends up being $44.45. So we'll change that to $44.45. The triple X, remember we said that adds $5. So it'd be $41.95. A double X adds $3. So that would be $39.95. And the rest of them I've set up at the normal price. So $36.95, $36.95, and so on. Okay? Click on Save Changes. So it saves that. I scroll back up and I go through my checks again. So general, I want to make sure that the shipping has a weight. The attributes, I've got all the attributes I need in there. It's a variable product. The variations then are combinations of all those attributes. So these are all the possible combinations that you have. I also need a product image here. So remember, you click on Set Product Image. You've got this picture right here. You drag that to a temporary area and then onto your file. I set the product image. In this case, it's got multiple images. So I'm actually going to add some gallery images too. So add product gallery. Here's the image, goes in the gallery there. And it'll show up below the image in the listing. Okay, so it's got a price, it's got a weight, it's got all the attributes, variations. Oops. Add product gallery image. So we'll add that image. And then we'll save it up. Click on Update. Now if you want to, you can also view the product. So once it gets done updating, there's a little view product thing that you can do. And you can see that this product is going to show up with the different sizes. So I've got all the different sizes. And it's going to change the price based on the size. Plus it's going to have gallery pictures down below it. Okay, so that's just a really quick tutorial on how to add a variable product as opposed to a simple product. The simple products are a little bit more simple, but yet the variable products allow you to combine multiple products into one. So if something has multiple different colors, but it's exactly the same product, the best way to set that up is to set that up as a variable product. So instead of people looking through multiple different products to get to the color that they want, they zero in on the product that they want, and then they choose the color. All right, if you have any questions, you can always email me at aaron@grayblegraphics.com, or you can also call or text me at 760-224-9413. I can also email you a version of these directions if you'd like. Just let me know. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.